Okay, here is our new fan that we bought, and we absolutely love it. We live in Texas, and it gets hot, really hot. Right now it's starting to cool down, but we needed a ceiling fan that obviously could circulate some air through here. So what we did was we bought this cool fan. I love the fact that it matches with the black accessories that we have, and the wood grain matches all of our furniture, so it's beautiful. We thought about putting the white post in, but I think I like the post here that goes to the ceiling in black. This is on 1 as it's going through, so let me turn the light off and you can see it a little clearer how pretty it is. And so this is the speed at 3, and it has this really cool remote control. So if you're just laying in bed watching some TV and you need a little bit of air, you need to speed it up, there you go. That's a 3. This is a 6. So haven't had a need to turn it up to 6 yet, but it is just so awesome. We just love it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it back down. That's a 3. That's a 1. And it has on here that you can keep it at this speed or whatever you need. The light stayed on for however long. But you can also have it to where it's really, really quiet with no sound whatsoever. You can click that button, and then we have where you can see the light. Now, this is not going to take a good picture because of the way my camera is. I'm sorry. I've tried several times now, but what you can see when you didn't have the light on.
This is the new ceiling fan. Forward and reverse button on there. Anyway, liked it so much we put 3 in the house, 1 in the office, bedroom, and living room, so it's really pretty.
always be intertwined with
Love my
mental
new
illness
fan.
in these types of mass shootings.
Three different
One of the common
colors.
characteristics of mass shooters, the LA Times has an interesting piece about this
Spins
today,
at
is
different
that there is an embedded
speeds.
sense of grievance. They lost their job, they lost their girlfriend.
I like to make sure that Charlie and Roxy were not forgotten.